Now let's get into the Details Dashboard. There are 4 parts to the Details Dashboard: the timeline, the classes column, the events column, the charts. Let's go through each one. The top bar shows all of the dates, and the yellow, green, and red lines represent the amount of swipe activity for academic, positive, and undesirable records. The white part is the selected part, and you can adjust it by pulling on either side, and you can move it across as you like. The first column on the left is your list of classes. Each one has a date, start time, end time, and class name. You can rename a class by swiping the class to the left. You can delete a class by swiping it to the right, tapping Delete, and then tapping the 3 Confirm buttons to ensure you don't delete it accidentally. That will delete all of the records from that class. The yellow check means that the events from that class is selected. The green wheel means that there were events recorded in this class. The center column has the filter buttons and the list of all recorded events in the selected classes. We'll discuss the filters after we discuss the charts in the right column. You can see the student name, picture, event icon, event name, date, time, and rating. You can add a note to an event by tapping here and adding a note. It will display here. You can also add a note to an event during class by tapping on the note icon and adding your note. We encourage you to minimize note-taking during class and use the swipe tap system to maximize your record keeping. You can also mark absent and late students excused by tapping the excuse switch on those events. The column on the right gives you charts that break down the events. The column on the right shows you donut charts of the events from the center. As you change the date range at the top, all 3 columns will adjust to reflect the selected data. The behavior chart will show you how many of the behaviors you've recorded in the selected date range. The shades of green are positive, and the shades of red are undesirable. Tap on the donut, and you'll see the legend for what each shade represents. Tap on an event and see that piece pop out of the chart. The attendance chart shows the common attendance records, and you can tap on it the same way. Behavior by student shows you which students are getting the events recorded. Tap on it to see which students are getting the most attention and which are getting the least. You can also tap the middle of that chart to see the attendance breakdown by student. The filters allow you to look at specific types of events: attendance records or students. The results will reflect in the donut charts. The behavior filter allows you to filter behavior and academic events. The attendance filter allows you to filter attendance events. The student filter allows you to filter students. Wow! I told you it's going to be incredible. Watch this video as many times as you need to get the hang of it. You can also email us at info@classstars.com or join our Facebook community. See you in the next video.